Workshop Wednesday, everybody. Just a little different. I've never been live. They told me that Lowe told me I needed to go live, so here I am live, and it's a little different. I guess you guys can ask questions and see what the heck I'm doing. Anyhow, I got some cool stuff to talk about today. So first news is the cat is out of the bag, and that this cool pair of spurs I can now show to the world. Earl Graham is a receiver. His lovely bride Rhonda bought these spurs for him for their anniversary, and I get to show the world as to what's going on because he already knows. But anyhow, that's all good. They're pretty fun. I'll post a picture here later and show you all what's going on with the guys. But we got 24 karat gold pinstriping up here. Got 24 karat gold there on the brand, and it's raised. It's kind of out of focus. It's a little hard for me to show you guys, but you'll see on the picture. But it's kind of raised up, and this is raised up. Got relief engraving on the inside. We got sterling silver inlays all going here that I have engraved. Sorry, y'all were I'm not looking at the camera and what's going on here. We got sterling silver inlays here. Sterling silver up there. Sterling silver on the button. The shank, the rowel. The rowel's got sterling silver on it, and then got the initials monogram over here. That's sterling silver overlay going on. Got a nice French gray on it, and then I engraved all the steel. What's going on? This is an extensive pair of spurs, and man, were they fun! What a blessing to get to build something like that for somebody special. It's quite an honor. So, thank you, Rhonda. Thank you, Earl. Thank you, Lowe. That was a fun deal. Got another deal to talk about. This morning, got an email that said I had been nominated. I'm reading over here because I can't remember all the stuff. 2023 Best of Western Horseman Awards in the Craftsman category. So you get to go vote and vote for your favorite craftsman. And my friend Lorinda Van Newkirk, who helps me with marketing and website and all that stuff. I got all kinds of comments going over here. Told me a nice haircut. They told me to comb it. Chris, it looks good, doesn't it? I can't read all these dang comments while y'all are doing this stuff. I got see, I'm already sidetracked. This live deal is going to be terrible. It's going to be 30-minute Workshop Wednesday because y'all are talking to me, carrying on. So, anyhow, back to what I was doing. Nominated for 2023 Best of Western Horseman Awards in the Craftsman category. So, you got to go there. I'll post a link on there where you can go vote and tell everybody what's going on. So, you get to vote for you. It may not be me. I don't know who all else is nominated. I may vote for somebody else too. But anyway, go vote for Lowe. Lowe's nominated for a deal as well. I thought she was really cool yesterday when I saw her video. She with her socks, Lucky Chuck socks. So anyhow, life is good. Tomorrow, I posted a deal yesterday. Pictures of some mouthpieces that I made, and that'll be happening on Patreon for everybody tomorrow. What is it? Pro cards and what is it, Eli? Pro cards and
permanent holders.
And permanent holders. I couldn't remember the names. Pro cards and permanent holders. We'll get a video on how I did that mouthpiece. Totally different than anything I've done before. It's a low port, little Buster Welch grazer type thing. Did it for my friend Jim Edwards. Shout out to Jim and what's going on there. So anyhow, that's pretty cool. That Patreon's, it's a lot of information there, guys. And then if you're a maker, of course, I recommend you go there because it benefits me. But I think there's more benefit for you in the long run. Lots of information there. I don't know how many dadgum posts I have now. Probably 100-something videos on there that you can go see. So lots of information. Getting questions. And you're privy, once you sign up, you're privy to all that information. You go back and I've got things hashtagged and categorized. And so you can search spurs and go see all the videos I've done on spurs. So all that as well. What else we got going? Y'all want to see Eli?
Everybody!
There's Eli on Instagram. There's Eli on Facebook. Man, this is getting confusing. I got two. Do y'all see me going back and forth here? Instead of doing two videos, I got one. I got Facebook on the iPad and Instagram on the phone. So if one of you didn't get to see something, I apologize. We're still living and learning. Oh, Jill's watching. Hi, Jill. Larry's watching on Facebook. I got a whole bunch of y'all over here on Instagram. It's plumb confusing to me. We'll get better at all this. It feels a little awkward, but all's well. There's Troy Flayhardy. Troy, call me. I need to talk to you. Gotta make plans. See, y'all, this is all confusing. Y'all be well. We'll see y'all soon. What else? Yeah. Oh, back up. Wait, time out. I'm not going off yet. I'll be at the Grandmasters next week and the week after in Kansas. So I'm not sure we'll have any workshop Wednesday and all that business. Hopefully, that's why I told Troy to call me, because I'll be with Troy. Bo Compton will be there. We'll be having a big old time. So maybe I can get them to do a video. We'll see what happens. Y'all have fun, and we will see y'all soon. Adios.